Hello, in that video I'll just pick up random comment of the winner who will receive new NEJE Master 20W laser engraver. As I say, winner will be picked up on March 22 at 8 PM. Okay, time is 8 PM, so I just refresh the tab and we can see there's 127 comments. All I do now is copy the link to comment picker and search for the comments. I turn on the duplicate user filter, so I only got 124 comments, because only one comment counts. Now just press start and the comment picker do the fair job. And the winner is James Bean, who love to see more radio control stuff on my channel. Congratulations, James. I write you the comment here. Please give me an email so I can contact you for information. If you don't respond in a week, I make another draw on 29 March at 8 PM. That's it. Thanks everyone to cooperating into my first giveaway. As I say, sponsor of that giveaway is Banggood and NEJE, so thanks again in that place. We all know entire world is fighting against coronavirus now, and China donate lot of masks to European countries, and also Banggood donate 300,000 masks, and also prepare wholesale program for the mask. We can see here normally one mask costs $2.9, but in wholesale it costs only $1.73. Minimum order is 100 boxes and all the way up to 5 kilo boxes. Just fill the information here and a wholesale program will contact you with the price and other details. I hope you don't suffer too much into quarantine, but stay home and stay healthy for other people. Together we're strong. Thanks for watching and see you next time.